Hey guys, welcome to weekly tracking here on gold, and it's a beautiful morning. Let me quickly just say this: I'm currently on gold sales right now. I had this high made here, so I thought I would just hop in here for a head and shoulder, but I decided to wait a little bit because of how it closed. So another high was made, so I was expecting a head and shoulder, and this is exactly where I got into this trade, currently running on 10 pips plus. All right, I would come back to this, but why did I take this trade? Because last week Friday we had a pin back close on gold, and I was expecting that okay, this would probably be a continuation of a bearish structure, and I'll be looking for opportunities to sell, and that's why I got into that. Because if I slide into 15 minutes time frame over here, I would see price probably came over here to pick up some orders here right now. Are you feeling this right now? You see why I got into this trade? So I'll be writing it probably down to let's see, yeah, some over 80 pips right there. That's what I'm expecting, because I'm expecting price to probably, last week we had this if for any reason price wants to still remain bullish, price will definitely come over here to pick up some orders. All right, and that's what I'm betting on. So let's see how this goes, but I'm still very much bearish in the long-term perspective. For I want to see price roll over to 1725, but be that as it may, I will still watch and see how and see what the structure is going to be like at the end of this week, knowing fully well that we are in the holiday period, and price can be really messy. But I always love gold, because gold, pretty much does its thing. Okay, over here on the 4 hours, you could see clearly you had touch 1, touch 2, touch 3, and right now we'll be rolling over. For any reason, I'm seeing price coming over to this point, 1788, 1789, 1790, and probably continue downwards. Yeah, but be that as it may, I might get some rejections here and probably come over here to get a double top again and then roll over, or probably. But for my bullish structure or bullish sentiment, I'll be seeing price break 1815. If price can break 1815, then I'll be expecting price to continue bullish. But if price remains under this weather of 1815, price is probably going to be, I'll be very much bearish if price breaks 1760. I've always said that in the past weeks. So alright, see you guys on Wednesday, and let's see how this trade goes. I'm very much confident in this trade here right now. I'm very much confident in this trade right now. So I might just have a take partials if price comes over to this region here, probably when price open. Take some partials here and then write the rest to 17. Write the rest down to this point. Yeah. Alright, see you guys on Wednesday. Ciao. Alright guys, welcome to weekly tracking here on gold. Today is Wednesday, and I've had two beautiful trades on gold and one loss, which one stop loss right here. Earlier on Monday on our tracking, I was like, okay, we closed with a pin bar on Friday. So what was I expecting? A proper rollover to this point where there was a breakout. Initially, for the past couple of days before Friday, which was last week, price was ranging all this way. All right, so I said for the least I would expect price to come here and probably retest over here. And from what you can see here, I decided to take my short trades too, for that matter, and I had two beautiful trades too. But yesterday, during the New Year session, I was expecting, okay, since price has broken to this level over here on the smaller time frame, 1 hour, I was expecting probably a retest here, and then we'll continue the bearish trend at least to 1781. But price took me out, so I think hold on. So over here on the 15 minutes, you'll see clearly how I took these trades over here. So this pattern break, retest of it. First trade I took was a break-even trade, and then the second one was a one trade, then these two. All right, so currently right now I'm still expecting price to roll down, because the way I see it, from the larger time perspective, price broke through a strong trend line here on the dailies, retested it first one, came back here for a full-time retest, which is on a strong zone. So I'm expecting price in the long-term perspective to just roll over to this point. I still expect price to come to 1725, first to 1760. If he breaks it, I'll be confident to ride it down. But for any buying bias right now, I think it should be a price breaking 1815. Then I'll be confident, okay, price doesn't want to go down anymore, then we'll be seeing price go back up. So for now, I'm still going to be pretty much bearish here. I'll be looking for entries right now probably, and I don't know if I'll be trading till Friday, but my last tracking might be tomorrow or on Friday if the market is closed. All right guys, I'll catch you guys on Thursday, on Friday, tomorrow or Friday, and let's see how this goes. Ciao. All right guys, welcome to Gold Tracking. I'm not going to waste time here. From the last time of the tracking, which was on Wednesday, today is actually the early mornings on Friday, and gold is closed for the week because of today is Christmas Eve, right? So gold is not in play, but pound USD and other normal Forex pairs are in play, and they will end today, I mean. So from the last time we spoke, price was at this juncture. I was expecting a rejection here, kind of a double top here, and price will continue to roll over, but it didn't. Rather, it broke back into this section, gave a retest here, and then continued bullish. I didn't make that trade. Yeah, I didn't. Because more or less I'm still expecting price to reject this region from the daily time frame and then give me like a double top here, and then we'll roll over. But if the bullish sentiment is stronger and the buyers are way more stronger, then there will be a break of this region at 1814, 1815, a retest of it, and we'll roll back up. But if there's a rejection of this going into the next week, after the Christmas celebration, then we might be expecting a rejection here again, and price might probably go back. But I'll feel more confidence selling if price breaks back into this region, and more confidence to buy if price breaks above this region. So for now, I'll see you guys next week. Enjoy your holidays. Ciao.